Lookout finally has the demo case that you've all been looking for, and everything that you need in order to demonstrate the system is in this handy 36-pound Pelican case that rolls. The way you set it up is just 3 steps. You take the camera out. It comes with a super secure suction mount. This goes on the top of the boat, and you pump out the air to make sure that it is secure. Remove the satellite heading sensor, which also has a suction mount and a long NMEA cable. And this is secured someplace with a clear line of sight to the sky. All right, the last step is to power the system. Everything is off of this one DC accessory plug, and this is a 12-volt plug, so it goes into a boat or into a battery. A battery like this will run the system for about 7 hours. All right, now the system's all set up. The camera is plugged into Ethernet, the heading sensor is on the NEMA network, and the system is powered. This is a touch screen, so you tap that to start, and it provides the view. You can use all of the interface, the wide mode, the zoom mode, the docking mode. You can change different sensitivity settings. You can explain how the system works. You can go through the preferences to show how it highlights navigational aids, shows points of interest, toggles over to night vision mode, has an AIS. The AIS receiver is actually in here, so that will work as well. All right, so the Lookout roll-on is all set up. We've got the camera above, and it's plugged into the brain right here. And we've got the heading sensor secure above, and it was already plugged into the NEMA network. So we can close this, and then the power is plugged in to a battery under DC. Screen is all set up right here. Just depower it by pulling out power. This cord, I think it's best if you take it out of the Ethernet socket here. This just gets coiled up in this nice bag. And then the heading sensor, just coil that, and I kind of like it to go this direction because then it doesn't impact the screen. Camera facing me, and this soft bag is kind of a nice thing for the screen to rest on. Flip the screen so that it's more likely to be protected. And just that gets locked up. This, and then this, like that. All right, we're out on the tender. It's a nice Boston whaler. We've got the camera system up high, and our new roll-on case is right here. And there are lots of targets. We're actually just right behind somebody. So many boats around, and so many targets to avoid, and this is going to be even more impressive the darker it gets tonight.